Want to use Grok AI for free in 2026? It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into any of the web browser. Once you're in here in the address bar, you have to search for Grok Video AI. Now head over to the very first site. Once you're inside the official page of Grok AI, you have to click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. And simply select Login with Google, Facebook or Apple account. Let me select Login with Google. Select the Google account from which you want to continue Grok AI. Now tap on Continue. There you go, you have been logged in into Grok AI. Now if you want to use it, simply enter the prompt in this section. Let me give one simple prompt to this AI. Once you have given the prompt, simply click on Generate. Once you have clicked on Generate, this interface will pop up on your screen. You will need to fill this information in order for you to use Grok AI for free. Enter billing information, select payment method, and add one of your card details. Well, you do not have to pay the amount, it's for free. All you gotta do is enter your card detail. Once done, click on Activate Free Trial. After that, your Grok AI video will be activated for free. Now you can give any of the video prompt to this AI and they will generate the video for you. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.